Hey, what is up guys, Razor here from Team AA, and in this video we shall be talking about the world's first display with a camera hole on its left, and this is from Samsung, no doubt the king of displays, and they have made a really good device before Honor, before Huawei and before anyone else. They have done it. They have used the Infinity O display in their latest flagship mid-range device, which is the Galaxy A8s. So despite having no headphone jack, and it is the first Samsung device actually to have no headphone jack in it. I don't know why Samsung had to do that when their flagship devices even come with a headphone jack, but it might be indicating that a change might come in future devices for the Samsung. But it is not the case with the Samsung Galaxy S10 leaks. They refer that the Samsung Galaxy S10 family will be coming with a headphone jack, hopefully. And the Samsung Galaxy A8s design wise looks brilliant to me, and it is really good. And starting from the display, it has a 6.4 inches display, Infinity O display with 19 by 5 by 9 aspect ratio and a full HD plus resolution. But the bad thing about this display is that it doesn't have the AMOLED ability. It is the LCD panel from Samsung, and for the price I think so that Samsung should have given an AMOLED panel, but I think the AMOLED is only reserved for the S10 family right now and the Note family as well. So it has a hole at the top left of the corner of the phone, and the hole is 6.7mm wide, which is not the case with the Samsung Galaxy S10. The S10 might be coming with a 3.2mm wide hole, and inside the hole there is a 24 megapixel sensor with f2.0 aperture for brilliant selfies in the low light as well as in the daylight, and it looks promising to me. I think so that it will be a really good camera. And the fingerprint sensor is on the back, obviously with the 3 cameras at the back, just like the Samsung Galaxy A7, and it has the same abilities. It has a 24 megapixel main sensor with a wider aperture of 1.7f and a 10 megapixel telephoto lens with f2.4 and a 5 megapixel depth sensor with f2.2, which seems to be a gimmick. And the battery is here 3400 milliamp hours of cell with fast charging and USB Type-C. So this thing is really good that it is coming with USB Type-C, the new standard for smartphones in 2018 as 2019, and it also coming with a regular size, not a huge size, 3400 milliamp hour, as it seems to be a standard in 2018 and 2019 as well. And it also comes with fast charging ability, the Qualcomm QC 3.0, which is really good. It is coming with the Android 8.1 with a skin on top of it, which is really sad that it is coming with Android 8.1 despite being in 2018 in the end. It should have been coming at least with Android Pie, because every other phone nowadays is coming with the Android 9.0. That is why I think that it is a bit of a disappointment. So thankfully it is coming with a Snapdragon 710, and it is the first Samsung device to have this chipset. It is not a flagship chipset, but it is somewhere between the flagship and the mid-range, because it is higher than the mid-range chipsets and it performs really well on paper, and it is on par with every flagship processor as well. So that was it for the video. Hope you guys liked it. Smash the subscribe button and hit the like button as well. Comment down below if you feel like the video was a bit like you need to improve the video or something. This was it for the video. Hope you guys liked it. This is the Razor from Team AA, and I'm signing out. Peace out.